Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use AutoDS for eBay dropshipping. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial starting from creating your AutoDS account to connecting your AutoDS to your eBay, and then how to add listing or how to add product into your eBay shop. Now you're going to want to go to platform.autods.com to start creating your account. So you can start the trial for $1 and you can sign up with your Google account if you want, or you can just manually enter any other email address that you have. And I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with my Google account real quick and get back to you once it's done. Next, we're going to want to set up our eBay store with AutoDS, so you can go ahead and click on eBay as our marketplace or as a place where we want to sell our product on. But you can totally use this for any other sales channel you want, for example, Shopify, Amazon, Facebook, Wix, WooCommerce, or Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead and click on eBay for now and then click on continue. And here are some of the plans that you can choose. So we have the starter plan, the import plan, as well as the advanced plan. And you can use the $1 free trials with any plans at all. So you can go ahead and choose on which one you feel are the most suitable for you. I'm going to start with the starter one for now, and then we're going to want to select on the payment method. So you can choose whether you want to use PayPal or Payoneer. I'm going to use PayPal as my payment method, but you can also use credit card if you want. Alright, now that we got our account created, we're going to start by adding a store. So here on the AutoDS dashboard, you're going to be able to find and add a store options here on the left side of the screen. And because we're going to set up a store, that's why this part right here says set up store. But once we're done, it's going to say add store. And you're going to want to add your first eBay stores here. And you're going to want to choose on your country. So go ahead and choose one. Then go ahead and click on finish. All right, once you add your eBay store and give access for AutoDS to connect with your eBay, you can now start and adding listings or add products from AutoDS. So you can see that here are all of the things that we will have to do. First, you're going to want to connect your store, which we already do, and you can see it on the sites right here. It says the name of our store, and then we're going to have to create our first draft, publish the first product, etc. So I'm just going to close this once for now. And here we'll be able to see all of the necessary information in order for us to search for a product. So here we have the ships to options. It is really important for you to choose which country you will want to sell your product on at first, because not all suppliers send specific product to a specific country. So let's try to search for a product that ships to United States. And let's say that it ships from China. And then you can also select the supplier that you will want to appear on the result down here. You can choose whether you want to focus on the AutoDS supplier or maybe AliExpress or Amazon. Let's say I want to focus on the AutoDS suppliers. You can actually add more than one. So if you want, you can just choose everything. You can also choose the currency as well as the price range. So I'm just going to stick with all categories and see the result that we're going to get. But if you already have a specific target market, if you already have a specific categories you have in mind, you can definitely narrow the filter down even more by choosing from this available categories here. So we have toys and hobbies, home and garden, home improvement and tools, outdoors, sports and fitness, pets, electronics and gadgets, clothing, shoes and jewelry, as well as other categories. Or if you already have some specific product you want to sell, you can just go ahead and type it here and search from here. So here are the results of products that appears based on these filters that I've put earlier. And let's say that I will want to sell this one's right here on my eBay, I can first click on the product if I would like to take a look at the product detail, and this is how it looks like. And then if I would want to add this into my store, I will have to import it as my draft first. So it already imported into my draft. And now if we would want to add it into your listing, we can go to the left side of our screens right here. And then you're going to want to click on draft. Click on the product you will want to sell. Then go ahead and click on import. And now we wait until the import is finished. Now if your product won't import it, you can go ahead and take a look at what the problem is by hovering your clickers on top of this yellow symbols right here. So it says that the upload is error because I am trying to add variations to a single product, or the variation specifics needs to match. So in order to edit the details of this product, all you have to do is click on these arrows right here, and it's going to bring you all of the details of the product, such as the title, the categories, the tags, and then the shipping method, etc. Now let's start with the title. So apparently the title is super long, so you can try to optimize it by clicking on this optimize title with AI, and you can choose on the tone of the title. Maybe you want it to be more sellable, and the temperature, maybe you want it to be more creative or more precise. Then you can go ahead and click AI write and wait until the title is finished created. And here is the name of the title. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save, but you can regenerate it if you're still not satisfied with it. I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. And you can change the category if you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. And then you can choose on the shipping method. You can choose from the cheapest with tracking, or fastest with tracking. I'm just going to stick with cheapest with tracking. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the main problem of the reason why this product will not be uploaded, which is the variant right here. So let's say that I just want to sell one color of the product. I don't want to sell the light blue one, so I'm going to go ahead and delete one of the variant, and then leave the images as it is, as well as the item specification. And I'm going to try and re-upload it into my product section. So go ahead and click on retry. And now we wait until it's finished uploading. Now, if you manage to upload your draft to your product, it's going to show some things like this. So I've had this 2 product imported earlier, and you can take a look at the product by clicking on any of this product, see the variations on the right side of the screen, and then the total stock, the price, the profit, etc. And then if you would like to edit even more, you can always click edit here and start editing your listings through there. Or if you would like to delete your product, you can always delete it from here. And you can still edit this product through your eBay. So if you go to your eBay profile and take a look at your listing, you'll be able to see on the product that you upload through AutoDS. Like this one's right here. This is the one that we add from AutoDS, which is this one's right here. And you can just continue and edit this item, adding the specification. And once you enter all of the details, you can start selling it on your eBay. And that's basically it. That is how you can set up eBay to your AutoDS in order to do eBay dropshipping business. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.